SMMEs, turn your tax blues into tax wows. Stay on top of your tax obligations because a little tax knowledge goes a long way to earn your business the coveted tax compliance status. To know when, how and where to file your business's tax returns as they become due, visit our SARS website, sars.gov.za, to learn more and remain tax compliant. Having tax compliance blues? Simply understand your obligations, file with ease, and conquer tax season with confidence. Check for updates on the SMME webpage accessible via the SARS website, sars.gov.za, and keep abreast with the latest changes on the ever-evolving legislations, regulations and tax laws to avoid the tax woes. Be part of the Savvy SMME League. File your return online using SARS e-filing and enjoy the seamless experience. Your tax matters. SARS, at your service.